tutorial
on how I made this paper doll.
Okay.
So the first thing you're gonna do is draw the head and then attach the arm, like on the same thing, do arms. Yeah, if that makes sense.
The legs.
Teehee.
Okay, so draw the part where you're gonna be hanging them by their shirt, like, if that makes sense. So basically just do line art. You don't have to do this, but I did. So yeah.
Cut them out.
So now what you want to do is take like a cardboard and make it like the same size as the head. Roll out a piece of paper now! Yeah.
And this is how it should look.
Okay, take the leg section and poke a hole through it. And put the like roll on top of the cardboard.
Glue it on.
Now take the legs and put them through the hole of like the little thing. So I made a little stopper to like make it not slide off, and I glued the shirt part on.
Now look at you have a beautiful azure.
You don't have to do azure, but I did. And yeah, goodbye!